this massive change, ladies and gentlemen, is going to bring in the second wave in the digital media revolution. So the question is, how is this going to change the paradigms of digital media? And most importantly, if you're a businessman or an entrepreneur, what exactly are you supposed to do in order to turn this crisis into an opportunity? Number one, in this second wave of digital media, every other brand has to become a media company that creates content for itself. And this applies to all brands, whether they sell milk or t-shirts. Why? Because when brands start creating content, they will gather an audience that will automatically become their customers. Therefore, dependency on ads will decrease by a large extent. Number two, the content that you create as a brand doesn't necessarily have to sell your product, but has to cater to the interest of your potential customers. A classic example of the same is Bewakoof.com's Instagram handle. Bewakoof.com is a t-shirt company that by default wants to cater to the audience that loves clever humor. So they have used memes in order to gather 1.6 million followers on Instagram. And eventually, they use this massive reach to present their latest t-shirt designs, eventually driving organic sales. So right now, there are two types of t-shirt companies. The ones that are heavily dependent on ads, and the other is a creator like Bewakoof.com that has two pipelines. One is the organic pipeline and the second is the ads pipeline. Similarly, even FinShots has gathered a wonderful audience through their podcast with the ultimate goal of selling insurance. Number three, creator economy is going to get another push due to this policy. Why? Because by creating content and catering to an audience, the creators by default become direct links to huge clusters of audience. And lastly, digital marketers who excel in Apple ads are going to get another extra edge with high ticket clients. Now, an important point to be noted over here is that this is neither the first nor the last policy that is focusing on privacy. And as we keep going ahead, we could expect another policy from Google or Amazon that is going to roll out similar features that could change the landscape of digital marketing. And this brings me to the most important part of the episode, and that is, in this ever-changing digital landscape, what are the most important and timeless marketing principles that we need to abide by in order to excel in the market? And these